If you've ever had a cash flow problem sneak up on you, you know how stressful it can be. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to avoid cash flow problems using software alerts, so you can stay ahead of issues before they become emergencies. This is the same method I tested across the most popular financial and business tools, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up simple alerts that can help you prevent nasty surprises. Plus, if you want to follow along, I've included an exclusive free trial link in the description, just for viewers of my channel. Alright, let's get straight into it. The biggest reason cash flow problems catch people off guard is because they're reacting after something happens. Software alerts flip that. They notify you when key thresholds are hit, like when your expenses spike, income dips, or a payment is delayed, so you can act before things spiral. The software we'll be using lets you track incoming and outgoing cash, sync with your accounts, and set custom alerts. After signing up with the trial link below, the first thing you want to do is connect your bank account or payment processor, whether that's Stripe, PayPal, your business bank account, or all of them. Once connected, head to the Alerts or Automation tab. This is where the magic happens. Set an alert for when your daily or weekly balance drops below a set amount. This is your early warning system. Say if your account dips under $5,000, you'll get an email or SMS instantly. Next, create a notification for any overdue invoices or payments not received within a specific time frame. This is huge for service-based businesses or freelancers who rely on consistent payments. You can also set alerts for abnormal spikes in spending. If an outgoing payment exceeds your usual range, the software can flag it for review. Maybe a subscription renewed at a higher rate or someone made an unapproved purchase. Either way, you catch it early. Another important one, cash flow projections. The software we're using offers forecasting features based on your income history and expense patterns. Enable alerts for when your forecast predicts negative cash flow within the next 7 or 14 days. This gives you time to move funds, collect payments, or delay spending before things get tight. You can even set alerts to remind you to follow up on pending invoices. A simple weekly nudge to reach out can boost your cash inflow without needing extra tools. Now here's something people often overlook. Set up alerts for recurring charges. You'd be surprised how many small, unused subscriptions eat into your margin. With software alerts, you get notified when any recurring charge posts, and you can cancel it right away if it's no longer useful. So here's the key takeaway. You don't have to manually monitor your accounts daily to avoid cash flow problems. By setting up smart, automated software alerts, you can stay in control, respond faster, and make better decisions without stress. Quick recap. Connect your accounts to the software. Set low balance alerts, monitor overdue payments, flag abnormal spending, forecast cash dips, stay on top of unpaid invoices, watch out for recurring charges. And again, if you want to avoid cash flow problems using software alerts, I highly recommend you try the exclusive free trial I linked in the description. It's only available through this channel, and it makes setting all of this up incredibly fast. That's it for this tutorial. No fluff, just what you need. Check the link below, get started with the trial, and protect your cash flow like a pro.